welcome to my channel. My name is Carolyn and I'm going to teach you how to draw a toast to the new year. First, you will need these colors. You need a dark brown, a light brown, a pink, a purple, a yellow, and a green. You can use a pencil or you can use a Sharpie like me. All right, we're going to get started, and I am going to start about right here, and I am going to draw a curved line for the bottom of the party hat. And I'm going to draw a straight line up and then down to connect the hat. So there's your party hat, and then you're going to draw 1, 2, and 3 curved lines across. And I made them a little curved. And then we're going to draw a little poof ball at the top. So I'm going to draw 2 lines that cross over like this. I'm going to draw a line to cross over like that. And then one that crosses. Okay, so that's the party hat. Now we're going to draw the toast. I'm going to start here and I'm going to do a small curved line. Curve and go down. And then you're going to do a straight line down there. So I've got that part done. And then I'm going to go move up and I'm going to do a straight line across. Okay, and this is going to curve, and you want the curve to match this curve here. So I'm going to curve, try to match the curve as close as you can to this one here. And then you're going to draw a straight line down, and then match it. Try to match it as close as you can to that one. And then you're going to curve around. And then I'm going to curve here too. There we go. So there's your toast outline. And then I'm going to go around like this inside the toast for the crust. So we're going to make the crust. So I'm going to start a little bit out right here by the party hat. I'm going to go down and just trace around what we just did. All right, and so now we've got the crust, and I think what our toast needs now is a smiley face. I do my eyes like this, but you can do any kind of face you want. I'm going to do a line right there, and then a curved line, another curved line, and another small line right there for the eyes. I'm going to do a curved line, little one right there. And another curved line there. Okay, so our toast has a smiley face, and I think our toast also needs some arms and legs. And our toast is really happy and excited for the new year, so we're going to make our toast look really happy. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line up for one arm, like this. Then the other arm is going to go down, so it's a diagonal line but going down that way. And then I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 little lines for the hand. 1, 2, 3 for that hand. And then I think our toast needs some legs and some feet. One leg is going to go down. One leg is going to go diagonal. That. Then I'm going to draw a foot just like that. Foot just like that. Okay, so here is our Happy New Year's toast. All right, so we're done drawing our toast. Now, it's my favorite part, and we get to color. So I'm going to look at my colors. I'm going to choose my dark brown, and I'm going to color the crust here. Okay, there's the crust. Now I'm going to look at my colors, and I'm going to choose my light brown. And this is gonna be the inside. Of the toast. So this is the bread part of the toast. All right. And then I am going to make some rosy cheeks. So I'm going to use my pink, and I'm just going to do a little oval, a small oval under one eye here, and another oval under this eye here. Just like that. Now for the party hat. So I'm going to use my pink, purple, green, and yellow, and I am going to color in my party hat. You can use any colors you want for the hat, but these are the ones I'm going to use. Purple. Pink. Yellow. And here's green. Okay, so here is our toast to the new year. I hope you all have a very happy 2023, and I hope you had fun drawing a toast to the new year with me. For how to draw pages and coloring pages, you can always visit my website at CarolynCassidyArt.com.